Today I am talking about the TROPEZ Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. It's a very lightweight product, and I basically can use this daily, every other day, really as often as you want. And I really like it because you don't break out from it, it doesn't sit in your pores, and it doesn't sit like some of the bronzers do. It doesn't get stuck on your hands. I've used some self-tanning face bronzers where I would have the color stuck all over my hands. So it's a really nice, natural, lightweight feeling product. And yeah, it's my go-to all the time now. I do my mousse, my self-tanning mousse all my body. I don't do my face, and I leave this for the final step on my face. You can even use it as a setting spray over makeup. So you can put it over makeup. It's a really just flexible product. And it says even on the back, ultra lightweight. So, and it has a little tropical scent, but it's a very light scent. So you just take it and you just kind of spray it on. You can even use it on your décolleté. And that's it. Very simple. And within 4 to 8 hours, you'll have a glow. Put it on before bed. Put it on in the middle of the day. There's really no restrictions. It's an awesome product.